cool sound.
Be really quiet. Let's see if we can hear it. There it is. Okay, you're gonna put him in the tub gently, just for an hour or so. We don't want to keep him long.
Mom, I want to hold him.
So we don't want to make him sick. Okay, you can have a turn. Here, hold on, gently. Remember, gently.
Get him, Mom.
Gently, gently. There you go. Good. Don't pinch him. There you go. Okay.
Hey, Mom. He's jumping out of your hand.
You got him? Gently. Good. Don't squish him.
Don't squish him.
What is that, Nate?
It's a frog.
Oh, dude.
He was jumping out of my hand.
Poor Froggy. Let's give him a break. He can't get out of the tub, so let's give him a break, okay? And not chase him so much. Because it's a big tub.
He's a frog, and he got some cool, and he makes a good sound.
He does make a cool sound. What do you think he eats?
I don't know. Nuts.
Nuts? Maybe bugs?